Today I am reviewing LG 24U411A-B 24-inch Full HD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a versatile monitor that blends smooth performance with vibrant visuals, the LG 24U411A-B 24-inch Full HD IPS monitor is definitely one worth considering. It's designed to handle everything from everyday productivity to gaming and entertainment, while offering a sleek design that looks great in any setup. Let's start with the design and build quality. This is a 23.8-inch display, which many people find to be the sweet spot between compact size and comfortable viewing. The monitor has a slim stand base with a modern black finish, and the screen itself features an almost borderless three-side design. This creates a clean, seamless look that's perfect if you want to run a dual monitor setup or simply prefer a minimalist workspace. With its thin bezels and matte screen surface, your focus stays on the visuals rather than the hardware around it. Now, moving on to display quality. This monitor runs at a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is still excellent for a screen of this size. Paired with IPS technology, you get consistent colors and sharp details from virtually any viewing angle, up to 178 degrees. That means whether you're sitting directly in front or off to the side, the picture remains clear and vibrant. But what really sets this monitor apart is its 120Hz refresh rate. Many budget-friendly monitors stick to 60 Hz, but doubling that makes a world of difference. With 120 Hz, transitions feel smoother, mouse movements are more fluid, and scrolling through documents or web pages is much easier on the eyes. And for gamers, this higher refresh rate helps reduce stutter and screen tearing, giving you a more responsive experience overall. To go along with the refresh rate, LG includes 1 millisecond motion blur reduction. This feature is especially useful for fast-paced gaming because it cuts down on ghosting and motion blur, keeping every frame sharp. Combine that with dynamic action sync, which reduces input lag, and black stabilizer, which brightens dark scenes, and you have a monitor that's genuinely gamer-friendly, even though it's marketed as an all-purpose display. Color and contrast are also strong points here. The monitor supports HDR10 and covers up to 99% of the sRGB color gamut, which ensures vivid and accurate colors whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing the web. With a contrast ratio of 1500:1 and a brightness of 250 nits, the display holds up well in most lighting conditions, from bright rooms to dim setups. Now, let's talk about comfort features. LG has built in both reader mode and flicker-safe technology. Reader mode lowers blue light levels, making it much easier to read text or work on documents for extended periods. Flicker-safe helps reduce screen flickering, which in turn lessens eye strain during long work sessions. These features make this monitor a smart choice if you're someone who spends hours in front of the screen each day. For adjustability, the stand allows a tilt from -5 degrees to +20 degrees, so you can angle the screen for the most comfortable viewing position. While it doesn't have height or swivel adjustments built in, its compact base keeps your desk looking clean, and it's easy to pair with a monitor arm if you want more flexibility. On the connectivity side, the LG 24U411A-B keeps things simple with one HDMI port. It's not overloaded with inputs, but for most users connecting a PC, laptop, or console, HDMI is all you really need. LG also includes the HDMI cable in the box, along with a power cable, so you can start using the monitor right away without needing to buy extras. Another unique feature is LG's Switch app, which transforms your monitor into a multitasking hub. You can split your screen into up to 6 sections, customize layouts for work or gaming, and even launch video calls with a single hotkey. This makes it especially useful for multitaskers, students, or professionals who need to juggle multiple windows at once. To sum it up, the LG 24U411A-B 24-inch IPS monitor strikes a fantastic balance between affordability and performance. You're getting a 120Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond motion blur reduction, HDR10 support, and excellent color accuracy in a slim, modern design. Add in gaming-friendly features like dynamic action sync and black stabilizer, plus productivity tools like reader mode and the Switch app, and you have a monitor that adapts well to almost any use case. If you're looking for a monitor that can handle work, study, gaming, and entertainment all in one, the LG 24U411A-B is an outstanding choice. It's versatile, eye-friendly, stylish, and packed with features that punch well above its price range.